All right, there's too many people to text back individually in my phone. So I'm just saying this. I'm sick. And you're probably not going to hear from me for a few days. But I love you guys. See you in a few days. All right, guys. As you know, I'm feeling a tad bit under the weather. We just got on Twitch and was on Omegle meeting a bunch of people. Now we're going to have to make another Twitch account. So sorry. It was great meeting all y'all that I met on Omegle. You guys are awesome. It was a pleasure talking to y'all and taking screenshots and stuff. But now we're going to have to make a new one. So sorry about that. Blame the Indian guy. You're the reason all these kids is turning out weird, carrying the goddamn cow purse everywhere. I knew I should have turned this a long time ago. My kid was watching. Man, y'all don't even know what's about to happen. Next year, if you don't go to one of the shows, you're still gonna hear about it. I promise. Dude, my man, Shawty! Tell Paul Sec I said love you, fuggin'. Love you too, bro. Do you have a sixth sense or something? I've been bumping Mac Miller all day in my baby blue Bonanza. This is not a joke. Who are you? You making a new Twitch? Man, I don't give a fuck about Twitch. I'm making new goals right now, cuz. Duet with Morgan Wallen in the future. Man, dude, everybody has a music story, bro. Everybody's like, oh, yeah, guess who I have a feature with? You know what I want to do? I want to go to Gatlinburg, trip, ride those little things that go through the woods real fast. Man, I used to give a fuck about what everybody thought, and I would like take it to heart. Bro, I will outwork you. Then what? Exactly. I guess when somebody puts an engine and wheels on it, what does that mean? So imagine this. Close your eyes. You show up to the show. You see the openers. Then all of a sudden, after the openers are done, all the lights go off. Curtain opens. When the curtain opens, you're no longer in a stadium, fucking. No. You're in a neighborhood in the South. Yeah, you heard right. A whole neighborhood, dog. Grass, trailers. My trailer in the neighborhood has Leonard Skinner music coming from it. Lights on inside. You can see us in there baking it out. Some kids walk down the street. Fog on the road. They stop. They say, hey man, I heard that's where Upchurch lives. And the other kid goes, yeah man, the cops are always here because he throws these crazy parties. And one of the kids are like, I dare you to throw a rock at his house. He's like, okay, I will, but you gotta film it for TikTok. They pick up a rock. They throw the rock at my house, take off running into the neighborhood. Then right after that, all right, so then after the little skin babies throw the rock at my house for TikTok, keep in mind, this didn't really happen. This is the show. This is how crazy the show's gonna be. After they throw the rock and run off into the neighborhood, it cues the music, and right when the music drops, kick open the front door. What's up? Flames. Think I'm playing Biotech. But yeah, gonna be lit. And I'm just awake, working, because that's the only thing I like to do. So I'm gonna let y'all ask me some questions if you want to. Fuck it. Not even a few hours ago, I was riding down the street jamming. What's up with the bucket plus? So let a man. Damn, that's crazy. Turn to Kentucky. Corbin was my first ever concert. First show back is at, guess where? Corbin Arena again. Oh yes. Y'all are going to be the first ones to see the wild ass show that you ain't never seen before. Are you coming back to the ranch in Fort Myers, Florida? Probably not the ranch, but definitely around Fort Myers. We on some other shit now, so we need big ass areas to do big ass shit. What shampoo you use these days? Got a fave brand you enjoy? Man, I just grabbed the thing that says shampoo on it. I don't know what it smells like. I'm not getting it. I mean, if you want to go get it, be my guest. I'm not. But it's also weird that I got a bunch of people like, you don't have that. It's like, no, dude, you smoking crack or something? What y'all rappers out doing tonight, eh? You popping the bubbly, you taking Instagram pictures, posting it with your homies, you drinking some Jose Cuervo, eh? You shaking it in the club? Well, guess what I just did? And me and my whole crew. Guess. Not that, not what you're doing. No, sir. We just sat down for 7 hours and designed a $100,000 stage set for the fans next year. What it do, baby boo? Hey, y'all doing? I'm sitting here getting together the stuff for the new rap album. Sorting everything out, finishing up I need to finish. It's top. Man, let me tell y'all skin something, bro. And I ain't never been the braggadocious type of myself, but I'm being braggadocious in certain areas now because I deserve to. We deserve to. Do you know why these degenerates be attaching to my shit with their big Echo Untitled pants and their damn cowboy boots and dumb Dolly Parton hat, looking at me like, you know why? Because I get more respect than them. I got way more respect on my name. I'm not out here talking a certain way when I get around a certain group of people. I don't have a set of beliefs, and then when I get around people that don't believe the same thing I do, I don't be like, oh yeah, no, I believe what you do. No, just me all the time. And do you know why I got respect from so many different kind of people? White people, black people, Spanish people, people from Russia, people from Australia, hood people, country people, nerdy people, all the people. Do you know why that is? Because with me, it is what it is. I'm a goofy country dude from the South. But I know that. I'm not trying to be something I'm not. I'm not trying to be hood. I'm not trying to prove my gangsta. But everyone knows that as well because my work shows for it. That's why I got like 50 albums. And quite frankly, I got bored of collecting cars a long time ago, fucking. I collect information now. From inside camps and stuff. That's what I like to collect. Have been. Which is why I act the way I act. Sitting over here just all quiet and cute like a Meow Mix commercial. So yeah. It's not because they don't not with me because I've been collecting this type of stuff for years. Does it look like I'm lying to you? Years. And that's why the people, that are rappers that me about me, that's why they don't like me. Because I get more respect than they do. You know what I'm saying? And it's not that I'm worried about nothing. I'm not scared like, oh, maybe they're going to come do this to me. Yeah, I don't give a I have some of the same security that has worked at the White House. I'm not worried about Dizzy Wop and his friends. I'm not on their radar. Yeah, I'm on their radar. They just know I'm a weirdo who sits in a room all the time and just thinks. And that's scarier than anything else. Do I have to go dive into some drama to make my numbers go up? No, because my work does that for itself. And trust me, there's been some happen in the past year or so that involves other big rappers. Have I acted on it? No. Because I'm already outworking them. I'm already doing better. So I'm not going to drop what I'm doing to come with you. It ain't worth it. And that's it. That's why I have all the goddamn respect. I've never said nothing that I've turned around and been like, yeah, never mind. Here's my new opinion. Like, no. That's why I have all the respect. And as far as rap battling with these types of people that I'm talking about, I'm not worried about that either. Why? Because I spend more time on rap music than they do. I sleep eating hip-hop music. That's what I do. Another thing, I don't f with people unless they f me first. Otherwise, everyone knows I'm just this guy over here in his bubble doing Upchurch bubble shit. Which is why a lot of this shit is never mentioned. Because I'm like, well, I could mention this person and what happened, but what I'm doing right now is going to get more views because it's more interesting, and it just kind of it's a lot cooler than starting a fight with you. But anyways, I'm going to draw me a picture of something weird and edit these YouTube videos and write some more music. Love ya.